Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Unbounce for high converting US landing pages, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Unbounce website in your web browser. On the home page, locate the sign up button and click on it. You will be directed to a registration page offering various subscription plans. Review the plans and select the one that best fits your needs. After selecting a plan, you will be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use a valid email address since it will be used for account verification. Create a password that meets the specified security requirements. Once you've filled in your details, click on the Start My Free Trial button. You'll receive an email from Unbounce to verify your account. Check your inbox for the email and click on the verification link provided. After verification, you'll be directed back to Unbounce to set up your account. Complete your profile by entering the necessary information about your business. You may be asked to select a currency for billing purposes. After filling out the required fields, save your changes to continue. Now you are ready to explore the Unbounce dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the various features available. You can start by creating a new landing page by clicking the Create New button. Select a template that aligns with your marketing objectives. Customize the template to suit your branding and target audience. Utilize Unbounce drag-and-drop editor to modify text, images, and forms. Once satisfied with your landing page, click on the Publish button to make it live. Consider integrating your landing page with your preferred marketing tools for better tracking. After publishing, share your landing page URL across relevant channels to drive traffic. Monitor the performance of your landing page using Unbounce analytics tools. Make ongoing adjustments based on the data to maximize conversions. With these steps, you're now equipped to register and create high-converting landing pages on Unbounce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.